Hi, I'm Dina McDonough. I'm a professor of industrial design. I'm director of the Disability Design Studio at the Beckman Institute.
What the Disability Design Studio allows us to do is to think and brainstorm in a space that is designed to cultivate thought and creates a space in which ideas are welcomed. And it's a very meaningful point of intersection to work on and research and develop ideas related to disability.
My goal is to connect a diverse range of students with and without disabilities to come to this think tank to come up with innovative designs for everyday living and things that can impact greater society.
With the Disability Design Studio, the whole point is that we design for the extreme users in our community. So wheelchair users, the aging population. And what happens is if we focus on those extremes, then we build in design integrity and then the wider population can benefit.
Designing for individuals with disabilities actually has benefit for all of us. So for instance, closed captioning and text-to-speech software and technologies where you can control turning on and off of appliances or your lights. These innovations were originally intended to accommodate individuals with disabilities and now are very much a seamless part of our everyday lives. The University of Illinois was also the first community to offer curb cuts in the United States and public transportation that is accessible, that have the lifts into the bus. That innovation began here at the university, but really now are very much a mainstream thing. And so effective design helps to increase our quality of life, no matter who we are.
By 2030, 1 in 4 of us in America are going to be impacted by a disability. Be that an aging parent, be that a child with disabilities, be that ourselves. And so there is an urgent need for more researchers to really not look at people with disabilities as subjects to study, but really bring them in and their voice and this wealth of knowledge that we can't substitute.
I think having somebody who's a user and somebody who will directly benefit involved in the process day to day, week to week, month to month is important because it keeps the project moving and there's always a reference point, there's always a checkpoint.
So by incorporating individuals with disabilities in the design process, we further elevate innovation. And the more that we can challenge our own thought processes to how we navigate the world, the better equipped we're going to be to design something that's going to address the wide variety of needs that people face in our communities.
People say, so you just design products for disability? No. If you're very thoughtful, not just of the abilities you have in this moment, but the abilities you may have going forward. That's how you can build in design integrity into everything, into the space you work in, into your home environment, to the clothes you wear. So when you engage with the material landscape, a space, a service at a hospital, whatever it may be, it feels as if it was designed for you. You can open the food packaging, you can dress yourself. Nothing feels alien or negative towards you. And that is the whole point.
A few of the more exciting projects that we've worked on out of the studio is a ball chair, so a ball bot chair. That's an interdisciplinary project that we continue to work on.
It's actually omnidirectional, it's hands-free, it's a smaller footprint than a traditional wheelchair. This will come apart so you can transfer into your car for easy mobility, and it's person first. You see the person before you see the chair itself.
We have worked on a lightweight transportable aisle chair to allow for independent movement up and down an aisle of an airplane.
The intent is always to look at how can we design something that everybody can utilize and access. And so, for instance, this was a shoe design for wheelchair users, but everybody can wear this design.
And then we're working on an aging in place home that will allow for full access and independent living and dignity throughout the lifespan of an individual. This house will address some of the shortcomings of current construction. The pesky raised thresholds that are common on any entrance and exit. Also cupboard space, cabinetry that is fully accessible, creating convenience and independence for individuals from age 20 all the way through 100.
I am very aware I'm surrounded by scientists and engineers, and this studio is filled with colour and joy. If you come to the studio, it's a real think tank. It's where different kinds of conversations can happen. It's disarming. I have a gerontology suit here. And to have a studio that is playful, dealing with issues of aging and disability, but is driven by empathic research, really places design thinking at another level. Not as superficial styling, but really as a very integral way of looking at real needs of people from different perspectives. It's a serious place with serious conversations, but it's also playful.